Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I'm so glad that you are here for part 9 of the Christmas Planner series. We will be creating a charm dangle to hang from the spine of my planner, which is coming together very nicely. This is the Christmas planner with the Christmas planner pages, and then the December daily junk journal mashup pages in the back. Getting all ready for December coming up and the Christmas holidays. So I hope you're following along. If you're not, you can do it anytime. The videos will be in the special playlist. Don't forget, the July 1st video has the Christmas in July giveaway information in it. You can enter there. And the drawing is July 31st. So let's make a charm dangle. It's going to be fun. Hey everybody, so we're gonna make a dangle. Charm dangle is something like this that you add to your spine of your any of your junk journals. You can add it to your tassel. So we're gonna make one. This one's really pretty, and we're gonna use some beads, some charms, and we're going to use a swivel clasp. We're going to use some jump rings, and I use my needle nose pliers, and I also sometimes use some twine, so we'll see, our fishing line or craft line. Anyway, it says it's tested to 6 pounds, but I don't think we need that. Anyway, this is a swivel clasp. You can open it and everything, but we're just going to use it to make a really fun dangle to go on our journal. So all I do really is I just open up my jump ring, and I'll add whatever I want to it. And I think I'll just put this key on here, and then I'm just going to hang this key on the bottom. Now, I don't mind mixed metals in mine. If you don't like that, of course, you want to make sure that you get all the same color metals. So this is kind of a nickel, brushed nickel, I guess. And I've got some different charms here that have a silver finish to it, really. So, and I would suggest the needle nose pliers just because they are the best at closing these tightly. Because sometimes they're easy to close and sometimes they are not. Okay, so we're also going to add some beads, and I want to use an eye pin. So this is an eye pin. It has the eye on the end, and you can use it to hang with that, or you can twist this end once you put all your beads on. Now, I like to do it backwards, where I'm spelling with the first letter at the top of what I'm working on. But these beads do turn, so. Okay, so we're gonna stop there with Mary. All right, so then I need to twist this end into a little, and I just twist it around into a little hook, and then I'm going to slide this onto the bottom of my swivel clasp chain, and then Mary's going to hang down like that. Now you can take an eye hook and you can add other types of beads as well. So say if you wanted to do, let's do this big bead, and then let's see if we can fit this one on there. We may not be able to. Let's put a red one instead. So then again, you do the same thing. Just twist your hand, your wrist to make a hook. And then you're going to take that hook and add it to any one of these links on here. Okay, I made this one pretty chunky. This is a fun dangle here. You've got the different beads. You've got the different charms. It's just full. Got the key. Got Mary. Really, really fun little dangle to go on the spine of my journal. The trivia question for the day is, which reindeer are named for thunder and lightning? Which reindeer are named for thunder and lightning? The answer is on the next slide. Thanks so much for watching.